Indian cities drown in monsoon chaos, but Western cities don't. Why? Welcome to Alpha Briefs. Let's uncover the truth behind India's urban flooding crisis. Have you ever wondered why Indian cities get flooded every monsoon, but cities in developed Western countries don't face the same chaos? The reason goes deeper than just heavy rains. Let's quote the real story. The ground reality in India. Every year, cities like Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, and Bangalore come to a standstill due to waterlogging. Roads become rivers, traffic halts, and life gets disrupted. But the rainfall in many of these cities is not exceptionally high compared to cities in Europe or the US. So, what's wrong? Urban planning or lack of it. One major reason is poor urban planning. Many Indian cities have grown rapidly and haphazardly without adequate drainage infrastructure. Encroachments on natural water bodies and wetlands have destroyed natural pathways for excess water to escape. Lakes and ponds that once absorbed rainwater are now concrete jungles. Stormwater drains are either outdated, clogged, or simply missing. Infrastructure versus maintenance. In the West, cities invest heavily not just in building infrastructure, but also maintaining it. Regular drain cleaning before storms, use of advanced sewer systems with real time monitoring, integration of green spaces and permeable surfaces to absorb runoff. India, on the other hand, often focuses on reactive measures post disaster. Cleaning drains after floods isn't a solution, it's a damage control. Population density and informal settlements. High population density and the presence of informal settlements in low lying areas make things worse. Western cities generally enforce strict building codes, where in India, rapid urbanization leads to construction even in flood prone zones. Climate change and unpredictability. Climate change is making rainfall pattern more erratic. Flash floods are now common. While Western cities are updating their designs for a changing climate, Indian cities are struggling to manage current problems, let alone future ones. What can be done? So, we are not here to just count on these problems, but here we are to provide the solutions. The solution isn't just more money, it's a smarter planning. Restore lakes and wetlands. Invest in modern drainage systems. Enforce strict building regulations. Use data and technology for flood forecasting and water management. City floods in India are not just a weather problem, they are a policy, planning, and priority problem. If we want to live in smarter cities, we need to think smartly about how we build and maintain them. Thank you.